Looking for a keynote that electrifies the room and drives real-world results? Meet Jeff Joyner, award-winning communicator, keynote speaker, author, and the coach behind hundreds of success stories. Master of humor and high-impact storytelling. Decades in Fortune 500 sales and leadership. ROI-driven insight you can bank on. Jeff turns audiences into action takers with strategies that boost sales, leadership, and unstoppable mindset. He's inspired audiences at more than 2,000 organizations in 49 states. And meeting planners? He's the low-maintenance, high-wow pro who makes you look like a star. Book Jeff Joyner today and watch your conference go from good to unforgettable.